Very good evening to all of you. Today I am going to teach law of chemical combination. Deals with some empirical law that govern the chemical changes. If you are new in my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button. Please like, share and comment on my video if you get some knowledge, few information. So I am start my topic, law of chemical combination. Deals with some empirical law that govern the chemical changes. Generally, 4 laws includes in the law of chemical combinations. First, law of conservation of mass, law of multiple proportion, law of reciprocal proportion, law of constant composition or law of definite proportion. So first law is here, law of conservation of mass. Its law established by French chemist Lavoisier. Established by French chemist Lavoisier. Does mass change during a chemical reaction? Suppose that if in a chemical reaction, mass will be changed or not after the chemical reaction. Statement: in any chemical reaction, the initial weight of reacting substance is equal to the final weight of the product. In any chemical reaction, the initial weight of reacting substances is equal to the final weight of the product. Means किसी भी रासायनिक अभिक्रिया में शुरुआत में जो भी पदार्थ हैं रिएक्टिंग के लिए, उनका वेट फाइनल बनने वाले प्रोडक्ट के वेट के बराबर होता है। मीन्स जो रिएक्टेंट है और जो प्रोडक्ट है दोनों का वेट हमेशा बराबर होता है जब उनमें कोई केमिकल चेंज होता है, केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है, मास में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं होता। वन एक्सपेरिमेंट इज आल्सो गिवन. Lavoisier performed his experiment in a closed system. Closed system means एक ऐसा सिस्टम जिसमें मास एंड टेम्परेचर का ज़्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता या फिर वो पास नहीं होता. He found that the total weight of the system is not changed in a chemical reaction. He performed the decomposition reaction of the red oxide of mercury to form metallic mercury and oxygen. Lavoisier performed his experiment in a closed system. He found that the total weight of the system is not changed. In a chemical reaction, he performed the decomposition reaction of red oxide of mercury to form metallic mercury and oxygen. The mass of the reactant equals the mass of the product. You can see this chemical reaction given in this slide. Magnesium in the solid state react with oxygen in the gaseous state and form magnesium oxide in the solid states, and we can see the weight of these reactants is equal to the weight of final product. Some another examples are also given in the slide. This equation describes Lavoisier experiment. Mercury oxide, its weight 433.2 gram. After the chemical reaction to form mercury and oxygen, the weight of mercury is 401.2 gram and oxygen 32.0 gram. Another example of how mass is conserved: sodium react with chlorine and form sodium chloride. 46 gram of sodium react with 70.9 gram chlorine to form sodium chloride 116.9 gram. Next law, the law of conservation of mass, can be demonstrated by the union of hydrogen and oxygen. If the water molecule and oxygen are weighed before they unite, it will be found that their combined weight is equal to the weight of water formed. Suppose that hydrogen and oxygen react to each other and form water molecule. That time also number of atoms should be equal and weight of the reactant and product are also equal. The law of conservation of mass is also called the law of indestructibility of matter. The law of conservation of mass is also called the law of indestructibility of matter. The practical verification of this law was given by a German chemist H. Landolt. The practical verification of this law was given by a German chemist H. Landolt. Hence, the law of conservation of mass can also be stated as: there is no detectable gain or loss of mass in a chemical reaction. There is no detectable gain or loss of mass in a chemical reaction. In this slide 1 cartoon is given. In chemical reaction, no matter how big the bang, mass is neither gained nor lost. Before the reaction 70 kg, after the reaction also 70 kg. Next law, law of constant composition or law of definite proportion. It is established by Louis Proust. Means law of constant composition or law of definite proportion established by Louis Proust. What makes compound different? This law is based on what makes compounds different. The law states that different sample of the same compound always contain the same element, combined together in the same properties by mass. Different sample of the same compound always contain the same element, combined together in the same proportion by mass. Or another way also we can say a statement of this law: a chemical compound contains the same element is exactly the same proportion by mass, regardless of the size of the sample or source of the compound. For example, water always consists of oxygen and hydrogen atom, and it is always 89% oxygen by mass and 11% हाइड्रोजन बाई मास. मीन्स हमें वाटर का मॉलिक्यूल इस वर्ल्ड में कहीं से भी लें, उसका केमिकल फार्मूला H2O होगा और ऑक्सीजन बाई मास 89% और हाइड्रोजन बाई मास 11% ही होगा. Every sample of pure water, tough, prepared in the laboratory or obtained from rain, river or water pump contain 1 part hydrogen and 8 part oxygen by mass. Next given here, Berzelius experiment. Berzelius heated 10 gram lead with various amount of sulfur, but every time he got exactly 11.56 gram of lead sulfide, and the excess of sulfur was left over. This shows the significance of law of constant composition or constant proportion. Law of multiple proportion, published by John Dalton. It states that when two elements combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element which combine with a fixed mass of other element are in ratio of small whole numbers or simple multiple ratio. Again listen the statement of this law: when two elements combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element which combine with a fixed mass of other elements are in ratio of small whole numbers और सिंपल मल्टीपल रेशियो। अब हम इसे एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कार्बन्स फॉर्म टू स्टेबल कंपाउंड्स विथ ऑक्सीजन लाइक एज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज CO, 12 part by mass of carbon combines with 16 parts by mass of oxygen. 12 part by mass of carbon combines with 16 parts by mass of oxygen. Carbon dioxide, 12 part by mass of carbon combines with 32 parts by mass of oxygen. Ratio of mass of oxygen that combines with a fixed mass of carbon, like as 16:32 means 1:2. Oxygen in carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide, 1 oxygen and 1 carbon. Carbon dioxide, 2 oxygen and 1 carbon, means 1 mole of carbon react with the simple ratio of masses of oxygen. Another illustration of this law is the formation of water and hydrogen peroxide. The ratio of 2 weight of oxygen to combine with 2 gram of hydrogen is 16:32, or more simply 1:2. The excellent example of law of multiple proportion can be seen when the element nitrogen and oxygen combines together to form a series of compound NO, NO2, N2O, N2O2, N2O5, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen oxide, nitrogen oxide and dinitrogen pentoxide. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि हाइड्रोजन जो है वो एक सिंपल रेशियो में ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट कर रहा है, जैसे 14:16, 14:32, 28:16, 28:32, 28:80. Next law is law of reciprocal proportion, established by Richter. Means this law is given by Richter. The law states that, this is the statement of this law: when two different elements separately combine with the fixed mass of third element, the proportion in which they combine with each other shall be either in the same ratio or some simple multiple of it. When two different elements separately combine with a fixed mass of third element, जब दो अलग अलग एलिमेंट किसी तीसरे एलिमेंट के साथ एक फिक्स्ड मास के साथ कंबाइन होते हैं, द प्रोपोर्शन इन विच दे कंबाइन विथ ईच अदर शैल बी आइदर इन द सेम रेशियो और सम सिंपल मल्टीपल ऑफ इट. तो उनके बीच का जो रेशियो होगा वो सेम रेशियो होगा या सिंपल मल्टीपल ऑफ इट या फिर उसके मल्टीपल में होगा. आइए देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल और ये इसको समझने का प्रयास करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन टू एलिमेंट्स कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन सेपरेटली विथ हाइड्रोजन दे फॉर्म मीथेन एंड वाटर रेस्पेक्टिवली. नाउ व्हेन कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन कंबाइंस विथ ईच अदर दे फॉर्म कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. मीन्स कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन तीसरा एलिमेंट हाइड्रोजन से रिएक्ट होकर के मीथेन एंड वाटर का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं और इसके साथ ही जब कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन आपस में रिएक्ट होंगे तो वो एक स्पेशल कंपाउंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बना रहे हैं.